Hey, this is Ben. I'm in the kitchen and our water filter on our Samsung refrigerator is needing replaced. So I'm going to be replacing it with this Golden Icepure replacement filter. This is the second time I've replaced this. It's not too difficult. So you just have to take it out of the plastic, remove the cap, and then swap them out. The filter is on the inside right here between the drawers. And what you need to do is you push and twist counterclockwise to pull it out. It can feel kind of tough to do, so I like to use pliers. It's just a lot easier to get that leverage that you need to spin it out. Then once you pull it out, careful, it will be leaking water. I just drain it out in the sink. Then you can replace the new one by just putting it in anyway and just sort of push and turn it clockwise, and it will push in. You'll feel it go tight, and you should hear some water starting to run into it. And then just wipe up your mess and dispose of the old filter, and it's all complete. The last step is to reset the filter timer. And to do that, just hold the alarm button for 3 seconds and it goes off and it's all set. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.